Hey guys, how's it going? Want to boost your online presence? Follow these steps or follow these tips to optimize your digital account for maximum engagement. Okay, so go back to your screen, and then we're gonna leverage, of course, the AI. First of all, profile perfection. Use a clear profile pic and a catchy bio. You can go, in our example, we're gonna use, of course, Instagram. Apply it accordingly to your other platforms. If you're using Twitter or YouTube, whatever that might be for you. In my case, write a clear profile or use a clear profile pic and a catchy bio. First impression matters. Next, post consistently, right? Stay active with a consistent schedule to keep your audience hooked, right? You can see right here multiple posts, right? Try to emulate what they're doing, okay? Next, engage and respond. You can just go ahead and respond to the comments or respond to the feedback. Stay active with the response or DMs to build a loyal community, right? Next, quality over quantity. Post high value content that resonates with your audience. And lastly, make sure that you use insights to see what works and adjust accordingly. If you have a business account, let me switch to my business account. You can see right here the professional dashboard. Go ahead and click it. You're gonna be able to see who viewed your profile, who engaged, and who, and the age, limit, and sex, and location. So you can see from the views right here in the last 30 days, non-followers or followers, and basically the age gap and the location and all that stuff. So basically, try this out and watch your engagement soar. You can see right here, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to make an example, right? Travel tips, guides, and inspiration, bio, and you have, of course, the picture, right? Example post, photo or video, stunning shot of you standing on a cliff overlooking a tropical beach. In the caption, an example reply to feedback, I've been to Bali before, right? An example analysis, metrics from insights, likes 3,200, 3,200, 120, 1,500, 1,500 saves, and shares 800, right? And here you're gonna be able to see focus on hidden gems content. It performs well. Experiment with short reels. Basically, this is an example of a travel guide or traveling content. So basically that's it. Let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.